Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm gonna guide you how you can delete or close your Skrill account. So watch the video till the end and don't miss any steps. So let's start our video. First thing you need to do is to go to any web browser on your device, go to skrill.com and sign in to your account. Once you do so, you need to tap on the three lines here, then scroll down and where you will find the settings option, go to the settings. And then you need to tap on account settings, and here you will find the option account status, and here is the option close account. You need to tap on it, and then they say we are set to see that you need to enter the reason here, and then just tap on close my account and your account will be closed. So guys, this is how you can delete or close your Skrill account. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.